Hey all you fine folks, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is America of America's Abstracts. If you're new here, hi! I use fluid art as a way to cope with my various chronic illnesses. So as a result of that, you get a new creation video or how-to video typically twice a week. Sorry I missed an upload for Sunday, guys. Life has kind of been pretty crazy. Some personal stuff going on at the moment. But rest assured, I'm gonna still try to stick with the 2 times a week uploads because I always like to create at least a couple times a week. Today's video is one of my all-time favorite stones as well and favorite colors, and that is Malachite. So I decided to do Malachite inspired swipes. Now these swipes are a little bit different than I do more times than not. We call them like a spin swipe, and I just think they ended up bringing out that type of swipe worked really well to almost mimic the stones that I've seen like Malachite, because it almost looks like topography. So I hope you guys enjoy it, and if you enjoy seeing my content and want to see more, I highly suggest that you hit that subscribe button, like the video, and hit that bell for notifications so you can continue to receive updates as soon as I upload videos. Like I said, typically it's on Thursdays and on Sundays in the US, so I guess it might be a different day if you're watching me worldwide. I still have some of my wall hangings on sale for 20% off. I do now have it to where if you do a purchase on my online shop of $50 or more, you get free US shipping. So definitely make sure to check that out. See what tickles your fancy. Let's get to painting. Well folks, what did you think? Isn't that pretty cool? All the colors are all shades of green that I used. And just for a little fun close-up, it's still drying, but this is the 8x8 I did. Look at how cool that looks. I really think I did an excellent job. Comment down below. I really do want to hear your favorite gems. Gives me inspiration to try to pull off the color palette. I mean, look, I did this with all greens. So, please shoot me a comment. Tell me how you're doing, fellow chronic illness sufferers. And if you don't have a chronic illness, shoot me a, if you don't have a chronic illness, put a comment down below and tell me if you know someone who suffers with one or more chronic illnesses in your life and how you are able to help them have peace of mind or them be able to manage their illnesses. 3, 2, 1. Well folks, that is all for now. I hope you guys have a good rest of your week. I hope you are nice to one another, and fellow chronic illness sufferers, paint through the pain. Alright guys, I'll see you next time. Bye!